Today I'm going to teach you how to pay on Amazon without a credit card. This is incredibly useful if you prefer using gift cards, promotional codes, or your existing Amazon balance instead of linking a traditional payment method. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Amazon homepage where you can access all your shopping features. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find the toolbar. Here you need to click on Cart. This will display all the items you've added and are ready to purchase. If you happen to have multiple items in your cart but only want to purchase some of them right now, simply uncheck the box next to the items you don't want to include in this order. This gives you flexibility to manage what you're buying without having to remove items entirely. Once you've selected the items you want to purchase, look over to the right panel where you'll see a button that says Proceed to Checkout. Click on this button to move forward with your purchase. This step takes you into the checkout process where you'll finalize all the details of your order. Next, you'll need to select your delivery address. This ensures that your items are shipped to the correct location. If you have multiple addresses saved in your account, make sure you choose the one where you want this particular order delivered. Here's where the payment options come into play. If you already have a balance in your Amazon account from previous refunds, returns, or added funds, you'll see an option for card balance. Check the box next to this option to use your existing Amazon balance for this purchase. This is a convenient way to pay without needing any external payment method. Alternatively, if you have a gift card, voucher, or promotional code, you can use that instead. Look for the designated field where you can enter your gift card, voucher, or promotional code. Type in the code carefully, making sure there are no extra spaces or typos, then click Apply. Amazon will immediately calculate the discount or apply the balance to your order total. Finally, once you've applied your payment method and verified that everything looks correct, click Place Your Order. This confirms your purchase, and Amazon will begin processing it for shipment. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.